Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss the topic called consideration. Consideration. What is consideration? For why it has been used? There are so many questions in consideration. Consideration is used when the promiser and promisee arise. When the agreement comes, the promise and promisor all comes. So we can see the benefits of consideration. Consideration is nothing but price paid for an obligation. It is called the consideration. And consideration is some right, interest, profit, or a benefit occurring to one party or a forbearance, determinant, loss, or responsibility given, suffered, or undertaken by the other. This is called the consideration. See, it's a some rights. You will get some benefits from the consideration. Interest. You will get the interest on when you're promising, you will get the profit or a benefit when you're selling goods one person to another person. What you will get, you will get an amount, that you will get a profit on that. This is called the consideration. We can go on for a definition of consideration. Section 2d is the section 2d of Indian Contract Act 1872 defines the consideration. So what is the definition? When at the desire of the promiser, the promisee, or at any other person has done or abstain from doing or does or abstain from doing or promises to do or abstain from doing something, such an act or subsistence or a promise is called the consideration for a promisee. In every place who's occurring, the promiser and promisee. For example, A promising to B that I'm selling a car to you for rupees 1 lakh, and B promise, the person who's accepting is called the promiser. He is promising again that I'll buy you a car. This is called the promiser and promisee. See, we can see the what all comes in consideration. Consideration must be desire of the promise. The consideration must move at one person to another person. See, the consideration is the desire of the promise. One who is willing to give a goods to another person. That's the desire of a promise. Another one is consideration may move from one person to another person. If A is selling a goods to B for rupees 1 lakh, that is selling a is the consideration is moving from one person to another person. So A is giving the product and B is giving the money. That's one person to another person. And the consideration must be past, present, or future. That he can sell today or tomorrow or in future. That is a consideration may be past, present, or future. So he may give the money today or tomorrow or in future. A consideration should be a real though not adequate. See, that is a real though not adequate. That is a consideration. In most cases, a promise for doing the act or not doing a act derive some benefits by way of consideration. Consideration should be real. For example, A promised to carry a B good free of charge, and B allows to carry the same. Or the examples: A promised to carry a B's good free of charge, and B allows to A's to carry the same. Here, B does not offer any consideration to A, and is this a valid contract? Uh, we can clearly say this is not a valid contract. That is, in this case, the consideration is not passing between both of them, so it is not a valid contract. And one more example, that if A promised to sell his house to B for 5 lakhs, there is a here A is a promiser and B is a promisee. You can clearly find out who is a promiser and promisee. And A is a promiser and B is a promisee. In the same transaction where B agreed to buy the house for 5 lakhs, B will be the promiser and A will be the promisee. Here A must be part with the house and B must be part with the 5 lakhs. Here the considerations moves. What is a consideration? Promise, performance that parties exchange with each other. Or the form of consideration. What is the form of consideration? Some benefits, some rights or a profit of one party, some determinant loss or forbearance to the other. See, the one person is getting a benefit when he receives the car. One person is getting a benefit by giving the money, and rights and profit to the one party. See, one is receiving the money, no, he is getting the profit. That is right or profit to one party. Some determinant laws or forbiddance to each other. I think that you all clear on the definition and meaning of consideration. Thank you.